Can I legally use copyrighted music on YouTube? Copyrighted music was found on your video. Don't worry, you can still make money from it, but some of the revenue will be shared with the copyright owner. In this video, you'll discover the pros and cons of using copyright music on YouTube and where to find copyright-free music to use in your videos.
Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.
Where do you find copyright music by famous artists and not get a copyright strike on your channel?
If you go to Music Policies on YouTube, you'll see a directory list of songs and their current policies set by the copyright holders. So if you're using copyrighted music, you'll be sharing the revenue with the copyright holders. For example, if you use the Gangmang style, it says playback viewable worldwide, eligible for revenue sharing. So you'll be able to share the revenue from your video with the copyright owner of the song. Just keep in mind that the copyright owner can change their policies or take action on your video that differs from what's described here. So this means that the copyright holder could change their policies and you could receive a strike as a result of using this music. Let's look for some hip hop. Let's take a look at Drop It Like It's Hot. It says if you use this song, it's blocked in 248 countries. This means if you're using this music in any one of these countries, it's going to be blocked and you could receive a copyright strike for using the music. It's also eligible for revenue sharing, viewable worldwide. Just keep in mind that copyright owners can change their policies or take action on your video that differs from what's described here. So if you select copyright music and music policies, just keep in mind that most of it will be shared revenue with the copyright holder. You might notice that sometimes you get copyright notices on the videos on your channel, but you don't receive a strike. Why is that? If you leave the video demonetized, then you don't have to worry about sharing revenue with the copyright holder. You also have the option to remove the copyrighted song along with a claim from the claimant, or you can file a dispute. So if you agree with all these conditions, you don't have to do anything and you can just use the song for your video.
You can also remove, mute, or swap the music on your video. Click the link in the card to learn how to swap the audio on your YouTube video. How do you find copyright-free music that you wish to monetize but don't want to share any revenue with the copyright holder? No worries, just use the YouTube audio library.
Under Audio Library, you can use free music or sound effects for your YouTube videos. You can search by genre, mood, instrument, duration, and see if attribution is required. And you can also search for particular music. Say I want to search for hip hop and I've got Roots for Legend, and then just click on the arrow to download the song and put it in your video.
There are many other places where you can get copyright-free music on the net. Some of these include the Public Domain Project, Incompetech, Epidemic Sounds, Audio Hero. I'll place links to these resources in the description below this video. If you know of other places where you can find copyright-free music to use in your videos, post them in the comments below. Here are some important things to keep in mind. Number one, background music. If you're filming in a location that has some background music, that music may be copyright protected. If you use it in your video, you might get a copyright strike. Number two, music copyright holders may change their policies at any time. This means if you use copyright music in your videos and the copyright holder changes its policies, you might get a strike on your video. Number three, get a formal license from the rights holder. Your best protection against YouTube's copyright claims is to get the formal license from the copyright holder. The copyright holder can then give you explicit rights to use the music on YouTube. Let me ask you an important question. Did you ever receive a copyright strike on your YouTube channel because you used copyrighted music? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience, and I'm sure others would too.
If you want to generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, click the subscribe button below and check out the other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.